Hi guys, this is Gina. I'm glad to introduce our new stackers with initial lift. They are all equipped with EP lithium batteries and onboard chargers. Due to opportunity charging, you are allowed to charge the truck whenever and wherever you want. It's a pedestrian stacker, perfect for distribution in a lorry. As you can see, the tiller head and the drive unit are in the middle. It's easier to be controlled. The mast is a single clown with transparent panel, so it's very easy for you to see the fork tips. The L2 is only 620 mm. No need much additional lorry space. You can get double efficiency. Truck is with turtle speed mode as standard. Very compact, nice truck for narrow space. KSi201 is used to load and unload lorries all day long in logistics companies. For long-time working, the powerful external charger is available. You can recharge the battery in about 2 hours. We fully considered the operation comfort when designing. Comfortable handrail, adjustable tiller head, semi-enclosed backrest. Really comfortable, suitable for all size operators. If you are already familiar with our KPL201, you will know our KSi is just like KPL. Same drive speed. A demo truck has been in the field test in Europe since March 2022. Low quality risk. So if you are interested in our new stackers, please contact your sales manager for more information. Thank you.